In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to use the Read More feature in Constant Contact. This tool helps you share longer content like blog posts or articles without making your email look crowded. Start by opening the email editor in Constant Contact. On the left side, you'll see different content blocks you can add to your email. Look for the Read More block and drag it into your email where you want it to appear. This is usually placed after a short introduction or at the end of a section where you want readers to continue reading on your website. Once the block is in place, click on it to customize it. You'll see a field where you can add the link to your full content. Paste the link for your blog post, article or web page. After you insert the link, Constant Contact will automatically generate a preview. This preview usually includes a title, a short description, and an image if one is available. This makes your email more attractive and helps encourage more clicks. You can personalize the preview by changing the headline, editing the teaser text, or switching the image. Make sure the headline is clear and engaging so readers know exactly what they will get when they click. The teaser text should give a quick summary that sparks curiosity without giving everything away. Finally, customize the button text. Instead of the default Read More, you can use phrases like continue reading or view full story. A clear call to action helps increase engagement and makes your email feel more polished. And that is all you need to do. The Read More feature is an easy way to keep your email clean while still guiding readers to more detailed content. Try it out and see how it improves your email performance.